Marco Amitrano is senior partner of PwC's UK and Middle East Alliance and part of the UK's delegation to China.
The atmosphere has been hugely positive, really collaborative. With both countries' premiers and delegations looking to break ground for the future. I mean, all of what you'd hope for, really.
Still many things being discussed. What's been the most significant takeaway so far?
The agreement to explore bilateral services agreements, has the potential to just increase markedly UK-China trade.
So you've been travelling with the UK Prime Minister. Keir Starmer has described bilateral relations as being in a good, strong place. What message do you think UK businesses and investors will take from that statement?
It's been on show. I mean, it's not just the Prime Minister's statement. It has genuinely been in all of the interactions that members of the delegation have had with opposite numbers. And I think there's a lot of positivity to take from that. I know many people would think over 3 or 4 days, there's lots of nice meetings that don't lead to anything. But this has felt very, very tangible. And I think UK business and China business should feel hugely positive.
From your perspective, what do you think China wants to see when it engages with the UK?
Look, I think China wants long and lasting relationship. China wants stability too in its bilateral relationships, and it's looking for something longer term, which from my standpoint, every interaction I've had with China over my own career, that's very typical. So that's what they're looking for. And I think, and I hope that's what they felt from the UK, that the UK wants over the last 3 days.
Where might those deeper opportunities to cooperate exist, do you think?
The delegation has been particularly flavoured by financial services, professional services, pharma and life sciences. I mean, the delegation was selected for a reason that reflects the biggest opportunities for UK and China to work collaboratively together. So those would be the primary places, I'd say.
We know that stability is very important for financial markets. How important is it more broadly for business that a stable relationship is maintained?
Business and investment in business relies on 2 things, stability and visibility. That's what makes something investable. So stability is fundamental, but it's the start point. It's not an outcome. It's a platform for something else. Stability here that's been, I believe, has been achieved in the last 3 days in this relationship is now a platform for collaboration and growth.
And do you think this meeting, this series of meetings, will end up being viewed as a success by both sides?
I don't want to speak for everybody involved. My perception, particularly as we leave here tomorrow as a delegation, is it has been a success. Absolutely. The start of something bigger, but a huge success, as much as we could have all hoped for, I think.